Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome again, guys. Welcome back to another video lecture by Medical Microbiologist. Today in this video lecture we will start the MCQs of Medical Microbiology chapter number 9 from 81. In the previous 3 videos lecture, if you guys remember, we talked total 80 MCQs which is covered in 3 videos lecture. Now it is our 4th video lecture that is related to the chapter number 9 Medical Microbiology, and we will start our MCQs from 81. If you missed the previous videos lecture, the link will be present in the description, then you will check out it. Now 81 MCQ says that conjunctivitis is a newborn is caused by, means it is a newborn disease which is caused by streptococcus. A is the correct option. 82, influenza is belonging to orthomexoviridia. A is the correct option. 83, influenza virus contain 2 strands of RNA. B is the correct option. MCQs number 84 says that Reye's syndrome is caused by influenza. 85 MCQ says that the German measles is also known as rubella 3 days measles. So B is the correct option. 86 MCQ says that the commonest cause of rubella in newborns. So in newborns, it is congenital rubella, expanded. So we can say A and C. So D is the correct option. Both A and C are option. Then we have 87. Mumps virus belongs to paramexoviria. B is the correct option. MCQs number 89 says that brucella is caused by brucellosis. C is the correct option. Then we have 90, which is the Mediterranean fever is caused by mostly is caused by brucella. D is the correct option. 91 MCQ says that which of the following test is specific for brucella. So for brucella, we mostly use Castandia strip test. So C is the correct option. Malignant pustula is mostly caused by anthrax. A is the correct option. 93, the commonest form of anthrax in man is B is the correct option, cutaneous. Then we have 94 MCQs which says that the animal most frequently infected with anthrax are Tega virus. D is the correct option. 96, 5, virus causing rabies is Rubella virus. Rubella virus are belonging to the family of Rhabdoviridae. 97 MCQ says that the rabies virus isolated from natural human or animal infection is termed as it is the street virus. Is the correct option. 98 MCQ says that the rabies virus can multiply in central nervous system, peripheral muscle tissue. So we can say all of the above. D is the correct option. Which says that neurological complication following rabies vaccine is common with the C, simple vaccine. C is the correct option. 100 MCQ says that which anti-rabic vaccine has been recommended by WHO as the most effective. So for the 100 MCQs, the correct HDCS vaccine. B is the correct option. The causative agent of tetanus is, for tetanus, the causative agent is Clostridium tetani. B is the correct option. 102 MCQ says that the mode of spread tetanus neurotoxin from blood to brain is, so C is the correct option, cranial nerves. Tetanus is caused by the spread of exotoxin in sympathetic system. Is the correct option. 104 MCQ says that the first symptom of the tetanus is, so it is the locked jaw. A is the correct option. 105 MCQ says that the which Clostridia the neurotoxin is most powerful. So the neurotoxin is most powerful is so B is the correct option, Clostridium welchi. 106 MCQ says that toxin produced by Clostridium botulism is it is actually the tetanolysin. C is the correct option. 107 MCQ says that toxic shock syndrome is caused by Streptococcus aureus. Is the correct option. 108 MCQ says that the causative agent of syphilis is T. palladium. A is the correct option. 109 MCQ says that the Spirochelas are sensitive to what? Sensitive to chloramphenicol. B is the correct option. 110 MCQ says that the specific test for syphilis. The specific test for syphilis is actually VDRL test. A is the correct option. So I hope 110 MCQs will be enough in this video. Inshallah, in the next video we will cover other 30 MCQ that is related to the chapter number 9. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.